Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Split Fiction game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after you have logged in, you will be taken into the store page. From here, click on the search box, and now just type in Split Fiction to begin your search. Once you find the game, just click on it, and this will take you into the game page, where you can check out the trailer as well as reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. You can then click on View My Cart in order to continue towards your payment. You may now use your Steam wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Then just fill up your credentials as well as your billing information. Finally, click on Continue to finalize your payment, and then the game will be added to your library. Now you can start the installation in just a few clicks, and once it is done, you can start enjoying the Split Fiction game on your PC right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Split Fiction game on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.